everyone, it's Laura at Vegan RV, and today I am going to make another recipe in the new accessory that I got from my Instant Pot, the Mealthy CrispLid, which turns my Instant Pot into an air fryer. So I don't have to buy another appliance. It's just this little lid here. Boop. Anyway, I'm making a tofu satay recipe from Becky Striepe. You can find her at glueandglitter.com, and I'll have a link to her post about the recipe and everything down below. I'm not going to get into all of that because she does an amazing job on her site, and I don't want to take anything away from that. But I do want to show you what it's like to cook this tofu satay in this particular air fryer. So I've got the tofu all prepped and ready to go, and my Instant Pot's ready, and it's got its basket and stand in it that came with the Mealthy CrispLid. Also, these tongs came with it. It's already sitting on a hot pad that came with it because I just made something else that you may have already seen. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so I've got the skewers all settled in, and Becky's recipe has you cooking them in a regular air fryer for 15 minutes at 370. So this one, the setting is 375, so I'm going to do it 375 for 15 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'm going to flip them over. So, put it down. And time, yeah, 10's fine. Temperature, 375. Start. There is no preheat function on this, so you may or may not need to cook it longer than recipes say for regular air fryer. I've made these a few times now, and this works out pretty well, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's almost time to flip these. I did want to show you that sometimes it's like the Instant Pot in that it cycles on and off. So it's not like a constant heavy draw on your power, so that's kind of nice. Ooh, I can smell it. It smells so good. Yay! All right. Boop. Let's see. Ooh, hello, that's hot. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna flip these. You can see that the other side's not as brown. I'm just gonna have to tough through this. So, it's definitely a good idea to flip these. This one. This one. All right. So for the timer, I don't need 10. I think it was 7 minutes. I've got plenty of power here. It's not like it's any issue, so. Okay, so we did a total of 17 minutes at 375. And you can see these are nice and browned now on this side. So both sides are browned. And yeah, they have a nice crispiness to all the edges. Need to plate these up and eat them up. Okay, so they're all done, and here's how I'm gonna eat it. I've got some, ooh, that was almost a mess. I've got some mung bean noodles in there and some peas, and I tossed those with the excess marinade from the tofu, and Becky has a peanut sauce to put on top of the satay, and I used almond butter instead of peanut butter. Works perfectly, but you do you. And now so you can kind of see it's really nice and firm from being pressed well. The marinade soaked in really nicely without like making it soggy. And the effect is more like a like you baked it in the oven for 20-25 minutes, except that I didn't have to do that, and I didn't have to heat up my house. So I highly recommend this recipe by Becky Striepe. It'll be down below. We've made it several times and have enjoyed it quite a bit. Even if you just make the tofu without the sauce, it's really good in, like you could put it in stir fries. You could even eat it on a sandwich. It's just really good. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed these videos about the Mealthy CrispLid, and if you want to see more about that, we have a couple more videos. I'll put those down below, and I'll also put a link where you can buy it down below. That is an Amazon affiliate link, so we do get some pocket change if you buy through there. If you don't want to give us any pocket change, then just go to Amazon directly and search for it. So there. Anyway, we'll see you next time.